welcome to my channel to make a recipe for the tea, right? All the disease is clean the lymph and stopping the cough. It's much better to use the bay leaf tea. To use the bay leaf tea is aromatic. His smell is aromatic. Use it in the cooking. I can use it hold in diary you have, or anything you use, or use it today and just use it the tea and the syrup. If you have something wrong or you have cough or something, it's very nice and helpful for your cough and clean your chest. To use this one, I need the leaves. Is position the leaves, position of the leaves is big or small. Anyway, I have these leaves and I put it in a pot. I'm not boil it. If boil it, you take off all the vitamins and everything. If you put it like that, it's much better, and just leave it. You want to use you have any pot, something. Me, I have like that. To put it in the leaves in there. Put in the boiled water, no boiling, but just put in the boiled water here, and I leave it. If you want to drink the tea, you leave it for 15 minutes and you drink it. If you want to make the syrup, you want to leave it for 6 hours. You put in full hot water and just leave it for 6 hours. After 6 hours, you put in other or jar and put in 1 lemon juice. And I put in for sweets the honey. Yes, I use this honey. Any honey you have. Lemon I have the vitamin C, immunity, immunity. Lemon promise to weight loss and help detox it in your body. And I have many vitamins with the bay leaves, lemon and honey. The bay leaves is very nice for cough, for clear the chest, for relax, and for painful if you have anything. This one is much better to use tea every day. You use 1 cup tea every day, or just use it if you have cough. You use the syrup, keep it in the freezer, and use it the time you have cough. You drink it 1 cups. Is for to make this one is very easy and simple, not different for recipe. For you make it and just you use it is a magic for your cough, for your chest, for your lungs, for disease, for everything. This one is for lost weight, for everything. You see this one. Now I just have to put in the hot water in this one. Yes, now is the leaves is put in here. Now the boiled water is the kettle. And just carry on. Yes. You see? Yes. Leave it like that and put in the leader and leave it. If you want to use the tea, you want to leave it for 15 minutes. If you want to use to make the syrup, you want to leave it for 6 hours. Now after this one leave it, I cut the lemon. This one, don't throw it. You cut it and you put it in a pot, other pot. Put in some cold water and you drink it. It's very nice and helpful for your health. For example, just me putting this one and put in some water. Yeah. And you're drinking, the day you want to drink, you just drink this water with the lemon. Yeah, it's very nice. I have the benefits for you and very nice. Now, to make this one, I put in some tea. Yes, the tea. If you leave it 15-20 minutes, the tea takes the color. If you not leave it, it don't have any color. But just boil water. For me, I'm not boiling. Just boil water, put it in. Now, I'm saying the lemon. Lemon juice. And you want to put one teaspoon honey. You stir it and just drink it. This one is a tea. It's very nice. Clear your chest for cough. It's very, very nice. For tea, for you want to make the syrup, you need something different. You make 4 milliliters water. You need nearly 20 leaves. You leave it in for 6 hours in hot water. After, just take the jar and you put in 5 teaspoons honey, and you put in 3 lemons and put in the jar and you refrigerate. The time you want to use it is some hot water, and you put in half the glasses hot water and half you put in the syrup, and you drink it for cough, for your chest pain, for everything. And the tea is very healthy to use every day before breakfast. 1 glasses, and before the bed you want to drink 1 glasses. It's very nice for your body and everything. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Yes. If you leave it 15 minutes, just carry. If now it's 5 minutes, you see the colors is not. See this one. If you want to use the syrup, you want to leave it 6 hours, but all the vitamins, everything, the leaves and colors and everything, is keep it and carry on. Same the other tea is dark color. This one is starting now, you see, and it's much better to carry on, to keep it 6 hours, or you make it for night time, and in the morning just take the water and put in the jar and put in honey and lemon and keep it in the fridge and use it all the time you want to use it. Tea, you leave it 50 minutes. Just use hot water, not boiling. The boiling is take all the vitamins and everything and use it. And lemons, slices and everything, you want to use to drink water all the time. I give it this one to use it and not say, oh, I'm not. All the time you want to drink the water, you just drink this water. It's very nice and helpful for everyone. Yes, I used 1 spoon, squeeze it 1 lemon in the juice, and I put in 2 slices in the glasses. You see the color. Just leave it for 15 minutes. No boil water, just no boiling, but just boil water. Put it in, no boil the lid, and the drink is alright to drink. And it's very nice and benefits for your body. And you try it 2 times a day. in the morning before eating, the afternoon before bedtime. Or if you have cough, you want to use 2-3 times a day, or just use the syrup. The syrup is same, just the the tea is little bit different, more leaves, and just put in more the honey and more the lemon. For example, is 400 milliliters water, is 4 or 5 teaspoons honey and 3 lemon juice. Squeeze it, put it in a jar, and keep it in the freezer. And you use it half, or just use it with spoon, or just you put it in a glass, and put in some hot water and drink it. It's very nice for your clear your chest and for your cough. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share.